Hey guys, welcome back to another session. In today's demo, I will show you how you can use AgentX to trace your AI agent build on top of LangChain. When we talk about traceability, we are not talking about tracing only the input and output. It's about the entire reasoning and detailed steps that the AI took. On the surface, the customer may only see the response and the final outcome, whether the issue was resolved or a certain action was taken. In this billing dispute example, the customer might ask to cancel their plan and get a refund. The AI support agent then responds with a confirmation that the refund was issued and the plan was canceled. But what actually happened behind the scenes is what we want to trace, so the team has full visibility into how the AI made its decisions. It might look something like this. Okay, let's break down what's supposed to happen. In most AI agent workflows, when a request like this comes in, the AI should go through the following steps. First, understand the user's intent and make an initial classification. Second, based on that classification, generate a query to retrieve the necessary information. In this case, that would be the company's cancellation and refund policies. Third, check the customer's account activity and billing status. Fourth, run the query and retrieve the relevant data. Fifth, perform fraud and anomaly checks. Sixth, decide what actions to take. 7, take the action. 8, aggregate all previous steps data and respond to the customer. Now let's see how to track all that. Let's start with installing AgentX Python SDK. You can pip install the latest package. I will also paste the full tutorial link in the comment section so you can download the source code. Now the SDK is installed, you can import it directly in your LangChain Python script and set up the client and trace handler. Now in order to do that, you do need to get a valid AgentX API key and a workspace ID. To do that, navigate to your AgentX account and click your profile at lower left corner here. And copy your API key and paste it to the code. To find the workspace ID, navigate to left side workspace dropdown. Pick a workspace that you want to work on and click the little gear next to it. You can find the workspace ID there and click the copy button to copy as well. Now your AgentX handler is all set. Let's check out how the LangChain AI agent is working for this use case. Here, you will need to wrap the agent orchestration code with AgentX Tracer so that every step can be captured. And in this billing agent example, we basically designed a flow that we want the AI to follow. When the customer request comes in, first find the intent, then retrieve data, and then based on the outcome, use tools accordingly, such as policy lookup, risk analysis, etc. And some tools are running in parallel to make it faster. And last but not least, aggregate all the data and come up with the final response to the customer. Now let's run this example, which a customer requests a refund and cancellation of their plan. I will also make sure to upload this script for you guys, and you will be able to download and play around. Now let's run it and see how agent responds. We can see that agent successfully generated a response, saying that the user's requests are fulfilled, the refund is issued, the plan is canceled, and the confirmation email has been sent. Now the question is, did those actions actually happen, or is just agent hallucination? Luckily, we have AgentX Tracer, so you don't have to guess. Let's go back to your AgentX dashboard and navigate to the Governance tab. Click Observe and go to Live Traces. You can see that the task the agent just did was captured and listed here. We can see the user's query and the agent's response and all the tools that agent used, the name of each tool, the latency, and its status as well. Let's click into it and see what exactly happened behind the scene. Here you can see even more detailed information. including total time duration, input and output token usage, the behavior list breakdown, and the execution in time series. You can also check out the detailed information at each step, such as what language model it took, the model name, the system prompt and output, what tool it used at what step, the name of the tool, and the response of the tool use. Detailed traceability gives your team full visibility into the agent's entire performance cycle. That means your AI agent quality assurance is no longer a guessing game. With AgentX, your AI agents built with LangChain are no longer a black box. You can clearly explain to your customers how they work and how decisions are made. This not only helps keep your AI agents compliant, but also enables real-time evaluation and creates a continuous feedback loop for improvement. In the next session, we'll take a deeper dive into how you can leverage AgentX traces to build a pipeline that runs eval and automatically tunes your AI agent. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.